In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a help desk ticketing system. We'll keep it simple by using a built-in template so you can get up and running fast, with clear statuses and fields that make tracking requests easy. Start by heading to ClickUp in your browser and signing in to your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and choose the space where you want your help desk to live. A space is a top-level container in ClickUp, so picking the right one helps keep your support work separate from other projects. If you manage multiple teams, choose the space that most closely matches the group handling tickets. Inside that space, click the plus icon. This is how you add new items to your space. And in this case, we're going to add a new list using a template. If you don't see the plus right away, make sure you're viewing the space and not a different area like the home or dashboard pages. Next, open Templates. This brings up ClickUp's template library, which saves a ton of setup time and ensures you start with sensible fields, statuses, and views. In the search bar, type Help Desk. You'll see results designed for support workflows. Choose the Help Desk ticket template. Before applying it, take a second to glance at the preview. You'll typically get statuses like New, In Progress, and Resolved, along with fields such as Priority and Requester Details. These are common in support processes and will help your team triage and track work consistently. Click Use Template to begin applying it. You'll be prompted to confirm where it goes. Since you opened it from your space, it will create a new list there, which keeps everything organized. Now give your list a clear descriptive name, something like IT Help Desk, Customer Support Tickets, or Facilities Requests. Makes it immediately obvious to your team what belongs here. Consistent naming is especially helpful if you plan to create multiple queues later. Click Use Template again and wait for it to load. It may take a few moments as ClickUp sets up statuses, custom fields, and default views like List or Board. When it finishes, you'll see your new Help Desk list in the space, ready to capture and track incoming requests. That's all you need to turn ClickUp into a functional ticketing system with a solid starting structure. As you work, you can adjust fields or views to match your team's workflow, but the template gives you a dependable foundation from day one.